Hey guys, welcome back. I got a little bit of a different video today. A few months ago, I had started taking down my above ground pool, and in the process of that, it kind of gave me an idea of I was going to make a fire pit out there in the area where the pool was. Now, the pool had been up for about 10 years, and I kept having visions of my wife sitting in the float in the pool, and all of a sudden the thing ripping open, and there she goes floating down through the backyard and among that 10,000 gallons of water. So it turns out I was pretty much right on the pool. The liner was pretty brittle. I mean, it was, like I said, it had been there 10 years. It was time it came down. So this is kind of how we got into our fire pit. Also, we got a restoration in there of a very old table that my wife had. So that's kind of what this video is about, us tearing down the pool and the restoration of that table. So I hope you enjoy it.
Archie and me would love it if you'd like and subscribe.
I'm cutting it up in like 4-foot strips, 3 or 4 foot strips. And I'm hoping that I can do that all the way across. And then I can roll these up into small bundles and they'll fit easier into the trash can. That way I won't have to try to give it away as bulk in something. And I can just little by little put it in the trash can and get rid of it. So I got half of it cut up. Yeah, get the other half later, tomorrow maybe. Of course, with the help of Opie, I can probably get this done in half the time. Opie, I want to ask you something. I hope he's come out to survey everything now. Got most all of the siding down. Took me an hour, maybe less. So that's all the siding that I've got left, or the pool liner itself. I got to disconnect those steps in order to get to that and pull up this base, the tarp that's been down here. It was part of the pool. I had to put it down over the sand. That's all of the pool right there. So I'm quite happy with this. It's gone much smoother than I ever anticipated. My helper is right beside me all the way. You'll be happy to know that this job was done up to this point solely with a Stanley 99E, most reliable tool. Okay, so there's a liner, and this is the outline of where the pool was. There's all the posts and stuff. And back here to the steps. We're going to temporarily use these to get up on the deck and down until I build some right here in this corner. So that's our summer project. It's coming together. I just drug that old blue tarp off of the head covered on the sand. It came with the pool, and it was to be put between the pool and the sand, and so it's packed down good. So we got a good start for a fire pit. I don't know if we're going to leave it like this, sand yet, or if we're actually going to put gravel on top of this. I'll have to have a talk with Opie and Archie and let them know this is not a big litter box. Not a litter box, Opie. Remember that. Well, this is all I got left. Each week I've been putting some of this in the trash can so that I can get rid of it. I think within a 3-week period I'll have all this gone. I will take that to the scrap yard. The only evidence would be that there was ever a pool here was this little round sanded circle. Well, yesterday I put together the fire pit. It's got a lid on it. It's got this grill that you can cook over it as well. And then today I started putting up the swing, and this is as far as I've gotten with it so far. Been out here probably a couple hours working on that. That's what I got left, so probably tomorrow, next day, I'll finish that up. I hope he's loving it out here. He plays in this sand. It's like his own private sandbox. Okay, so this is what we're doing so far. We brought that down. That's what we stored our towels in for the pool. So I think I will put kindling and stuff in that. And of course, we're going to get rid of those steps and get some new ones, build some. We just added this. We got the fire pit. Just put the table over there and got a couple more chairs. So we're going to be working on these posts, or these timbers here, to get them more fitted in here. We got our bird bath we brought down. I don't know if that'll stay here or not, but for now it will. This is what we got right now, and I think it's coming together pretty good. Well, this is our first fire in a fire pit. First of many.
It said not to get mine. Did you use the rocking chair? No. We got so busy, and a couple.
I got a little bit of a different restoration today. This table has been in my wife's family for many, many years, and so today we're going to try to take off all this old paint on here. There's like 2 layers, 3 layers, and we're going to get it down as much as possible and prime it and paint it, get it back to new looking if that's possible. So what we're going to do first, we're going to try to take as much as all the paint off with this wire wheel as we can. So we got all of our equipment out here ready. Let's get busy.
Well, as you can see, this table set by the pool in Vicky's parents' backyard, probably when she's about 15 years old.
See some rust in here. I'm gonna have to probably come back, treat that area. Might just treat the whole thing for rust, then prime it. I thought I better get some hearing protection. Thing gets a little loud. It's louder than I anticipated. That's much better. It's doing a pretty good job. See, it's getting it off pretty easy compared. Well, that's got 90% of everything off. Get it down as close to the metal as possible, and then I'll come back and prime it. I think I'm going to do a rust treatment on it first, and then I'll prime it. As long as this thing is not running, he's out here helping. He wants to run this, he wants to run that grinder, but I told him I don't think he can. No, he still wants to try. Well, I got everything done except for the edge here. I'm gonna go over that, knock it loose. But my freaking mask not doing its job. It's letting dust and stuff in that it's not supposed to. So I've got this. Forgot I had this. This is a good mask. You put it has liners that go on the inside that you can change, and I think it is washable. So we're going to use that. Once we get this done, I'm going to put this. I'll show you over here. It's a rust inhibitor. It's called Oxygone. Stops rust. I'm going to take my brush and paint the whole thing. You're supposed to be able to paint right over this. It's kind of like also is a primer that I could use for a primer, but I think I'm going to go ahead and spray a primer over it, and then maybe put 1 or 2 coats, probably 2 coats of paint over that. Hopefully something like that will last a while. And put this on and let it dry. Turn it over and put another coat on the other side, and then we'll come back and prime it, and we'll be done with it. Get ready to paint it. Well, I've got all the rust, everything put on this top. Now I'm just kind of waiting for it to dry. Thought about putting it in the sun, that might hurry it up some. So now we're going to start our process of taking the paint off of the legs. I've already taken it apart. So I got 4 of these legs. Do these 4, get them ready and prepared, and hopefully we can get this thing done as soon as possible. Well, I got 1 more to go. So we're getting all of that loose paint off of there. Having to prime it a little bit in sections. Well, I successfully have gotten a coat of blue paint on each one of them. Even the top, I've got it on there pretty well. I'm at least going to have to put 1 or 2 more on there. So I've got each one of the legs painted. I'm letting them dry completely. I got the center part here, which I almost forgot about. It's painted now, or primed. I'll paint it shortly as soon as it dries. And then we'll have at least 1 coat on everything. I'm kind of pleased with the color. I like it. I don't think Vicky's seen it yet, but I know she's going to like it. She picked out the color. I couldn't have done it without my buddy Opie. I mean, he's just been out here with me every step of the way. So far, he hadn't stepped in any wet paint, which is sometimes what he does. He's always there for support, standing on my foot. Yeah, we're about finished for today. Thanks for your help. Appreciate it. Looks good, doesn't it? Well, this is it all back together again. All the old rust and stuff is gone. Vicky's quite pleased with it. The chairs that actually go with it, we haven't finished yet. They're in the front yard, but we may find some others that will go with it, and maybe a complete set. Turned out really well. Got good paint coverage. We're still in dilemma about what to do about the sandy floor. We're thinking about putting some pavers down, and maybe around the fire pit itself we may put some gravel. We're going to put some lattice work up over there under the deck, close that off. We will be putting new steps up. This was the steps we had from the pool, and so they're just temporarily here. So we will be adding some steps, wider steps going down to the ground. I put new bolts through here. There was 8 of them. The others had rusted and were twisting off, so I just decided to replace all of them. So yeah, it's turning out. I just put up these lights. We got 10 of these solar lights. I'll try to get out here and get you a picture of them at night. They're really pretty at night. So they're going to circle the whole thing. So we spent more time out here actually since we turned this into a fire pit than we did with the pool. And this year it's been so cool that the pool would not have warmed up enough for us to get in it probably. But anyway, that's going to be it, guys. Just wanted to show you this table that was in such bad shape to begin with, and now it looks like a brand new table. Ran into a dilemma. This thing is probably 70, 75 years old, this table. Probably back in the day, these little poles were smaller and they fit down in here. But this one does not. So I think because of because I've got them in there, let me show you how. You may can see the nuts down in there. I'm going to turn those around and put the smooth side on the inside and just switch them around. I think that will allow the pole to fit. So I just took all of the nuts that were on the inside, and I put the smooth side in there. Now watch what happens. Sucker goes all the way down there. No problem. Problem solved. Well, along with our new table we've got painted here, we've got a new umbrella. Vicky made sure it matched the table. I'll give you a little 360 of our little fire pit. That's pretty much it. Back there, we got like 2 levels on our deck. This is the second level here, and we got the other level up there where the grill and everything is. Pretty nice. This is our fire pit at night with all the lights lit up.